Today is Saturday, March 17th. The time is 10:05 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Certified Football Break. Break number 14. This break is sponsored by Blowout Cards. www.blowoutcards.com. Good luck, everybody. First card, Redskins, Jabbar Gaffney. Next, Chiefs, Steve Breston. New Generation, Cowboys, Tyrone Smith. Serial number 425 out of 999. Chargers, Mike Tolbert. Titans, Kenny Britt. Falcons, Matt Ryan. Colts, Dallas Clark. Panthers, Brandon LaFell. Immortals jersey, Giants, Phil Simms. Serial number 33 out of 99, jersey. Vikings, Donovan McNabb. Chargers, Malcolm Floyd. Chiefs, Tony Moaki. Bengals, Jermaine Gresham. Certified Potential, Raiders, Taiwan Jones. Serial number 303 out of 999. Fabric of the Game, rookie, Greg Little. Browns, serial number 26 out of 250. Mike Wallace, Steelers. Buccaneers, Kellen Winslow Jr. Packers, Charles Woodson. Bills, CJ Spiller. Raiders, New Generation, Denarius Moore. Serial number 77 out of 999. Chris Johnson, Titans. Hines Ward, Steelers. Texans, Kevin Walter. Bills, Steve Johnson. Rams, Sam Bradford. Serial number 97 out of 250. Eagles, Jeremy Maclin. Rams, James Larinatus. Dolphins, Chad Henne. Browns, Josh Cribbs. Cowboys mirror, Tony Romo. Serial numbered 133 out of 250. Buccaneers, Josh Freeman. Eagles, Deshaun Jackson. Jaguars, Mike Thomas. Bengals, Carson Palmer. Indianapolis Colts, autograph, Hometown Heroes, Reggie Wayne, serial number 10 out of 10. Rams, Danny Amendola. 49ers, Braylon Edwards. Patriots, Tom Brady. Lions, Brandon Pettigrew. New Generation Raiders, DeMarcus Van Dyke, serial number 499 out of 999. Jets, LaDainian Tomlinson. 49ers, Patrick Willis. Cowboys, Tony Romo. Giants, Hakeem Nicks. Buccaneers, New Generation, Alan Bradford, serial number 910 out of 999. Jets, Sean Green. 49ers, Frank Gore. And the last pack, Lance Moore, Saints. Anquan Bolden, Ravens. We have redemption, I'll save that for the end. '49ers, Michael Crabtree. Redskins, Santonio Moss. The redemption is a mirror red signatures, card number 230. And let me look that up. Don't see the red signatures listed separately, but card number 230 might be out of New Generation. If that's the case, it is Robert Hausler. If that is different, I will post it in with the links and let everybody know. Thank you everybody for bidding. If you guys check out my other eBay box breaks, currently for 2011 football, I have Timeless Treasures, Crown Royale, and Limited. For 2010, I have Panini Limited. I will be listing more over the weekend.